Welcome to New York State, Matt. Oh, yeah. Come on, baby. All right, so, Matt, let's introduce them to the project we're working on here.
This is the 1990 K1500 Stepside, otherwise known as the Blueberry. She's 30 this year.
Is she really 30 this year?
What's 2020?
Oh, yeah.
That's 1990.
No, 1990, you're right. Well, happy birthday. Let's see. Got the bed off. We got a bunch of bolts out. Shocks are out. Brake lines are ready to be disconnected. We're leaving the tank in for now and the axle on for now so we can wheel it out of the garage.
Old Sam Hunt playlist downloaded.
Yep. We got plenty of rust falling off the cab mounts, body mounts. Oh, man, we got a whole lot of good stuff going on.
200,000 miles on the truck.
Is it recording? There we go. We're making a little progress. We got the whole front end ripped apart. We're about ready to get the cab off. Got to get some wires out of the way. Matt, how you feeling, buddy?
I feel a little nervous.
Okay.
The help is not nearly as talented as I thought it was going to be.
That's fair. That's fair.
So,
all right. We took minimal pictures, so we'll have a really fun puzzle when we put it back together, which is always the objective when you take something apart.
Pizza on the way, though, which is going to be cute.
Always got to have pizza on the way. If you don't have pizza on the way. What are we, Jesus, man.
Dude, we got Sam Hunt cranking. This is great.
I know, we're going to get all the copyright infringements.
All the copyright.
So we got to pull, brake lines aren't disconnected yet, right?
This is how it should be.
I know. Yeah, so just cut those wires and it'll be like that because we'll have to put a connector on.
So those are, I think that's ignition. Those are sensors.
Okay.
I think.
All right.
This is all my headlights. Those are what? Sensors?
Yeah, I think
All
this
the
is
engine sensors
ignition
and
stuff, and
All right.
that's sensors. Is this shit gonna fucking?
So what do we gotta do? What do we have left? Brake lines, steering shaft. Although that'll just kind of do its own thing. And then AC's good. We had the AC professionally drained, so safely and environmentally friendly fashion. All right. So if we look here, we most importantly have a plastic knife that was tucked away in the dash. This is probably circa 1990 when the truck was made. Exhibit A. And you got to take the back of the glove box out to get to all your wiring harnesses, and then you slide it back through the cab down there. It's not too bad. All right, so we're about to back her out, get the cab off. We got additional help. Lucas, do you have anything to add to this adventure? That was really too much information. That was inappropriate. So we're gonna back it out. We don't have an e-brake anymore or brakes, so we got to use a tractor to kind of guide it and give it something to run into that won't get damaged. So we'll back this out about here. Oh well, we got our OSHA approved backing up method. We have the guy with the safety blocks is also the cameraman, but don't worry, I got 3 hands. You just haven't seen the third one yet. And it's not going anywhere, it's safe. And my truck will stop it, so you know, what's the worst that could happen?
Steering's disconnected.
Yeah, steering's disconnected. So we parked this bad boy on a hill. So I'm proud of us. Not only do we have 1, we have 2 and 3 wheel chocks. I didn't have a 4th, otherwise I would have put a 4th under there. Very proud of how safe we are.
I don't do much of the.
You don't do what? This is your interview, Lucas.
I'm just
Here.
Oh, what is this, a DUI?
Is that in your? Sorry.
I'm just a skilled operator here. I don't do any of
Is that better? If I point the flashlight there? No?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. I'll come back out.
But yeah, you know, skilled operator.
So, metric adjustable or American adjustable?
One of each.
Matt. All right. So our sorry asses finally figured out how to get the cab off. We got the cab hanging there by the tractor. OSHA approved rigging. We can now observe our beautiful repair welds. Who did that?
Dude, let's get this track.
Wow, I hope that was not one of us. I know it wasn't me.
Yo.
All right, let's get her done.
All right, I think that was Manny, actually.
Was it? Oh, man.
You want your cab mount?
Lucas, you have to go very slowly. all this is not very secure in the big scheme of things. So
Right.
keep that in mind.
So
Gentle.
watch out the front stuff. I'm
Now,
gonna get that
Dave working on electricity. That's not a great idea.
I was just about to say this is a Jake job.
How many current amperages, voltages are going through there?
47.
All right. All right. What am I trying to do here?
Take this out.
Yep. Okay.
Because that's
Yep,
up
yep,
to.
I got you.
Like the video for the YouTube algorithm.
Well, we gotta get a thumbnail. Do we all get nude and run around and get a thumbnail? No.
No.
We don't. Sorry, guys.
Hang on, frame ground.
Oh, banjo string? It's not a banjo string. Keep going.
Yes,
I'm kidding.
it's not a banjo string yet.
We got another ground. I knew there was an engine ground. I keep telling you guys there's grounds everywhere. Nobody believes me. I'm telling you, electricity's not real, and here.
He did tell us twice now.
That what?
Oh. Do the wrench. You do the wrench, and I'll hold the camera. I don't know how to use a wrench. Guy with the mechanic's gloves must know how to use a wrench. That you did the same thing I did. You sorry son of a bitch. I'll edit my own. Yeah, get on this side. Gotta get the shot. Get the polka dot undies on. Gotta get the shot. Always get the shot.
There's the mother trucking impact. I said mother trucking there.
Thanks, buddy. It's over there, but it's more fun to watch you. I wanna make sure you get arthritis at a young age.
This
Doing my best.
This is some Amish shit right here.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! They're nice people. We have managed to create a rather large mess. But we got the transmission separated from the engine, separated from the transfer case. We got puddles of every fluid that was in the vehicle on the tarp now. That's why we put the tarps down. So we're doing all right. We're doing okay. Note, everyone. Matt is tired, so we're gonna call it a night. Wrap up here, clean up the garage. So see you guys later. This is episode 1.
5:30.
I don't know what we're gonna title this. I don't know what the channel name's gonna be, but this is episode 1
I got
of
a
something.
YouTube if you want to put it on there.
No, I'm gonna make my own. Thank you very much.
I was trying to put